Learn how to replace a cutting blade on an electric lawnmower. Remove the starter key and battery packs. This will prevent the electric lawnmower from starting inadvertently. Place the electric lawnmower on its side. With an electric lawnmower, you don't have to worry about gasoline or oil spilling when turning it on its side. Clean the lawnmower by blowing away grass clippings and leaves. Remove the old lawnmower cutting blade. Use a wood block to hold the cutting blade in position. Use a crescent wrench or ratchet to unscrew the cutting blade nut. Once the blade nut is off, remove the spacer. Once the spacer is off, remove the blade insulator. The cutting blade should now be easy to remove from the lawnmower drive shaft. Notice the wear and damage of the cutting blade. Next, install the new cutting blade. Notice the two blade posts and their unique shape. The cutting blade has shaped holes. These holes will match the blade posts. This design will ensure the cutting blade is installed correctly. Then, replace the blade insulator by inserting it on top of the cutting blade and aligning the notches correctly. Once done, place the spacer onto the blade insulator between the two edges. Screw the blade nut onto the drive shaft until it's finger tight. Use a wood block to hold the cutting blade in position. Tighten the blade nut to 30 foot-pounds. Enjoy mowing your lawn with a new, sharp cutting blade. Subscribe to this channel and please provide your comments.